Hello, gorgeous people. How are you doing today? Hopefully, very well. So, my name is Maddie, and today I am going to be walking you through a quick Kundalini Chakra meditation that you can do in the morning. Now, this is a super energizing practice. It's incredible for releasing stagnant energy and shifting your mood. What we're going to do is, starting from the base chakra, do 7 different movements to open up the energy channels from your first chakra, your base chakra, all the way up to your 7th chakra, your crown chakra. I'm not going to get too much into the chakra system today because I like to keep these short and sweet, but if you want a little more information, I will leave some links below. So let's break it down. The first movement we're going to do, we will start by sitting cross-legged with one foot in front of the other, and you are welcome to sit up on a block or a bolster if that feels most comfortable in your hips. You'll bring your arms nice and wide, elbows out to the side and fingertips to your shoulders. And as you inhale, you'll reach your fingertips up towards the sky and lift your knees up. And as you exhale, you'll return to the first position. So each breath in, lifting the fingertips up, and exhale, original position. And then for our second chakra, our sacral chakra, we are going to do a seated cat-cow. So bringing the palms to the legs. As you inhale, stick out your belly, lift your chest, lift your chin. And as you exhale, round your back, pull your belly in, let your head drop down. We're going to do this about 20 times and just concentrate on the center of your body. For our third chakra, our solar plexus chakra, we're going to do Soupy Grind. So once again, placing the palms face down on the knees. As we inhale, we'll circle our body over to the right. And as we exhale, we'll circle our body over to the left. We're going to do this about 10 times and then pause for a moment. And then we will switch directions. After that, we're going to move into my favorite part of the series, the heart chakra opening. So coming into the original position once again, elbows and arms out to the side, parallel to the ground, fingertips to the shoulders. We'll inhale, twist towards the right, exhale, twist towards the left. We'll do that 10 times. Pause for a moment and then change directions. Inhale, twist to the left. Exhale, twist to the right. Pause for a moment, and then we are going to move into our throat chakra, our 5th chakra. And so interlacing the fingers underneath the chin, we'll inhale, lift our elbows towards the ceiling, and then exhale, bring our elbows together, our forearms together, and lift the chin. Breathing in, opening the elbows up, lifting them towards the ceiling, and exhale, bringing the forearms together and lifting the chin. For our 6th chakra, our third eye chakra, we are going to find a drishti, a gaze point directly out in front of us, and we will bring our fingertips together just in front of our third eye center. As you inhale, open your arms wide up towards the ceiling and look at that drishti, that gaze point. Concentrate on the color that you're looking at. And then as you exhale, bring your palms back to original position and allow your eyes to close. We'll do that about 20 times. And then pausing for a moment, I want you to really concentrate on what you're looking at, what you were looking at, and see if you can visualize it in your third eye center. And then after that, moving on to the crown chakra, we'll bring our palms into Anjali Mudra right in front of your belly. You'll inhale, reach your palms up towards the ceiling, and exhale, open your arms out to the sides and making these beautiful circles, just bringing the energy all the way up from the root chakra to the crown chakra, about 20 times. And then from there, we'll just take a few minutes of breath to just allow everything to absorb and sink in. And then we'll go about our day. If you can't remember all the stuff I just said, no worries, we're going to have it on the screen. There's going to be little bells that are indicators. I am making this video as easy for you to follow as I humanly can. And while we're at it, before we get started, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell, follow me on social media at Madilikestomove. And if you've been watching for a while and you like my videos, maybe consider subscribing to my Patreon. It makes a huge difference for me to be able to make these videos with a little bit more support, and there's also some really incredible benefits. I will leave the link below, and otherwise, set an intention, make a dedication, and we will see you on your mat. you feeling? Hopefully phenomenal. Let me know in the comments below. And before you leave this video, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell, and follow me on social media at Madilikestomove. And if you've been practicing with me for a while, maybe consider subscribing to my newsletter or donating to my Patreon. It makes such a difference. And shout out to my gorgeous Patreons. You guys are the best, and I love you so much. And otherwise, I hope you have a phenomenal day, and I will see you on your mat.